Hey Google, good morning.
Hi, it's 7:09 a.m. Right now in Petaling Jaya, it's 26 degrees with light rain. Today, there will be light rain with a forecasted high of 31 and a low of 24. There are 4 entries today. At 9 a.m., you have class accounting, physical. Next, at 11:30 a.m., you have online.
UK.
It's 7:09 a.m. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day too. Tu kaki buncin. Tidur kat belakang tu. Actually Luke dah bangun dah. So subuh tadi. Lepas subuh baru macam aku lupa nak buat vlog hari ni. Lepas tu berlaku dah balik bangun-bangun. Tapi hari ni nak pakai baju apa pergi kelas? Google cakap kelas pukul 9. Kelas account. Semua datang ke wardrobe saya. Banyak baju. Tapi tak tahu nak pakai baju apa. Outfit check. Okay, Luka dah siap. So, jom pergi kelas. What's up, Momo?
Kau lupa Razik serondong ke? Oh, Razik lah.
Razik, aku tampar kau.
Aku nampak macam member Razik kau.
Babi, aku tengah record lagi, mak.
Dia cium. Macam
Renggang.
macam mana?
Just following the rules. And the two is being good. Breakfast sampai lunch. Kita makan. Lucas balik dulu. Kejap lagi ada online class. Luke punya kelas ada online, ada physical. Depends on the day lah. Last class online, business statistic. Dah habis kelas. Korang jangan lupa like and follow Luke for more content, vlog and macam-macam lah.